Okay, so this is a tutorial for students who are not familiar with Google Mail or Gmail or Google Drive. Okay, so if you go to gmail.google.com, you will get a screen that looks something like this. And you can either sign into your Gmail account or you can create an account. And I'm not going to go through creating an account because I already have Google accounts. I don't need any more. But you basically type something in, you come up with a username, and then 2 seconds later you've got an account. So then you sign into your account, and I'm going to sign into my Gmail account. I hope I remember the password. I don't want to save the password. Okay, so here's my Gmail. And if you look over here, you'll see this thing that they call the waffle. It kind of looks like a waffle. Don't glitch. Okay. It looks like a little waffle right over here. And if you click it, it shows you all the Google apps. And your Google apps will probably be in different orders than mine. So you might have to grab this little scroll thing and scroll it. But what you're looking for is Google Drive, the one that's a triangle. So if you click that, it will open up another tab. And this is a place where you can create Google Sheets, Google Docs, Google Slides, which are basically Google's version of Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint. The difference is that their documents are always on the cloud. They're not on your machine, which means you can use them on different devices, and it makes it easier to share them. So if you want to create a Google Sheet, you just click that big new button, and then you say Google Sheets, and it'll open up yet another tab, and there you go. And now you've got a Google Sheet. So again, you have to sign up for a Google account. Then you have to find Google Drive once you're in that account. Okay, I hope this helped.